I've been working on this indicator too. This what I call my market. Uh, I'm just calling it Project One, but it's the indicator, guys. It shows all these levels. It shows every damn one of them every day. I'm just trying to get it working. I got it, but I just got to get some changes done to it. It's almost done. It's easy. It didn't take me long to do it at all. And all you do is slap it on your chart and leave it on there. And every day, just put your lines on them. It's going to be badass. As soon as he comes back in, because our programmer lost his mom, guys, so I'm not sweating about the changing that change. It's just a time change thing. He said, "Oh, I think it's a time change," because he did run it yesterday, but we'll get it running, and we'll get Quan Tower. Quan Tower is going to be running. It'll get fixed sometime this week or this weekend one, because I'm going to be all tell him, "Hey, look." But I am going to give him the time because it is his mom, so I'm not going to be an ass about that. That's just wrong. I know, right, man? It's like just ridiculous trying to get back up to that freaking bank level up there. It's going to do is it's pretty much going to probably take off and haul ass, but there's symmetrical in this. And what's going to have to happen is we're going to have to break the symmetricals. And I think what it's going to do is that top of that symmetrical sitting on that blue line at 90 right here. Right there. Right there. This is where they need to break. Get on the other side of that, we buy. 90 is where they want to go. They got to get the 90 on this. See if they can rally the market past 90. Yeah, it's no hurry today, is it? Just a bunch of pullbacks. It's a lot of swings and pullbacks. That's like me, man. I mean, all those trades this morning, I'm done. I don't care what it does now. I'm just watching it. 9 to 11. If a big move happens, great. We'll see if we can get to 89 and push through. We just need to get that possible move up there and make this thing run. But it'll probably when I'm on a phone call here in a few minutes. It'll probably jump to the target as soon as I walk out of the room. It always does. So stupid. But you can see they're protecting that open range top like they did last week, guys. They're protecting that 73.50
alert,
big time.
Spy short. Alert,
and that's
spy
what we
short,
did
alert,
last week. We
spy
had that
short.
big bull
Alert,
move.
spy short.
They kept protecting and protecting and protecting, then bam, it ran straight up. So this is either going to protect that 71, or excuse me, that 73.50 and keep protecting 73.50, or they'll lose 73.50, come to 55, and it's going to be done. Once it gets under 55, she's going to try to roll over 55 down to 39. So the protections are going to be 55 and 73. The 55 bears are one of those 55 areas pretty bad. 55, 45 down to 56, all down through there. So right now we're trying to see if these bears will just hold this 73.50 and keep protecting that big upper target so we can get back up here to these big levels. Right now, I think the auto trader is just kind of like 350 up right now. Of course, it got in the 62 down there. It got in right in. Yeah, the auto trader got in right here. Right, just past the bull line. So I must be right. Auto trader pretty much took the bounce when it came back down. It got into 62, just above the bull level.
Alert, spy long. Alert, spy long.
Okay, guys. Be back in a few minutes. Gonna see if this guy's ready to have a conversation or not, but if not, be back in a couple minutes anyway. See what she does.
Alert. Spylong. Alert Spylong. Alert. Spylong. Alert Spylong. Alert, spy shot. 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 alert, spy shot, alert, spy shot, alert, spy shot, alert, spy shot. Alert, spy long, alert, spy long. alert, spy long, alert, spy long. Alert. Spy shot. Alert spy shot alert. Spy shot. Alert spy shot. Alert spy long. Alert spy long. Alert, spy shot. Alert, spy shot. Alert, spy shot. Alert, spy shot. Alert, Super D. Alert, Super D. Alert, Super Duper D.
Alrighty, guys. I just popped back in here and see what's going on. What's up, guys?
That's the big move here, and now we're headed towards the big ass bank level.
I hope so, man. Should be. Should be soon. How's support going today, Steve?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Cool.
Fairly chill.
Good. Now, this kind of weird little level right here, you guys can't see it yet, but there's going to be a weird one right here. Just a weird little tiny level right there, okay? And there's also going to be another little weird one right here. Just like, you know, there's little weird levels. Those are not levels, but those are just areas where the market has to come up over. Those are like two little stairs right here. The market needs to top this stairs to get to this one. It's just kind of a way to look at things. But you need this to break this to come to here, push to there, and back to here. And this one here is that bank level, I think, right there. Yeah, it's the bank level. So you get the bank level sitting there. And once you get the bank level, this big target up here, guys, has moved. It's up here now. Oh, actually, it just moved again. So it's kind of weird. It's up here on the top now. It's up here between the top of the boxes right there. So it's kind of changed a little bit. So they're trying to push it a little higher than I thought they were, like the 36 or some shit. But we know the bank level is the actual target, guys. The first big target is the bank level. The rest, that's just money for them to take money at. And that little level we just had right here is right here. And this little level comes to right here now. Yeah, it's it's just trying. I mean, just part of protection, man. It's just one of those things. Auto Trader's up 3,000 off 62. It took the same long I told you guys about the bounce level when it bounced right here, right there on that bounce level at 60. Right, so you guys had to hold the blue line here at 62, 63 right here. It come down. Auto Trader took the trade right there, and it's still in it. It's at $3,040. Well, 3,200 now. So it took the trade. We've been holding it this whole time. So it's been holding this trade a while. Because it must have been right here. What if I 10? I guess it was either 10:30 or 11:30. Or 10:30 or 11 when it took that trade. I had to be somewhere in that area. Just went from 3,018, just like that. Bam. See how they're hitting that yellow up there, guys? So you know the yellow's the bears, just like we said.
Alert.
See, they're
Spy
spot
long.
on. See?
Alert. Spy long.
Boom. Bears trying to short. Bulls sitting here trying to hold it. Ta-da!
That noise is priceless.
I know, right? I finally got it working in there. I'm glad I did. Took a while.
Program Quantower to scream, "Hey, stupid!"
Yeah. People are so dumb. Said the Dow's going to go to 100,000.
Alert. Spy short. Alert. Spy short. Alert. Spy short.
The shit
Alert.
I
Spy
see.
short.
Well, so that level's 12.25 up there. So it needs to break to 12.25 and come up and touch the 1575. That's what she just did. So she can break the 1575. She's going to be home free, you guys, to the bank level of 22. So all we're just waiting for it to clear over 15 here. Get above this 15 if we can push this down 22. It just hit 20.
Alert. Spy short. Alert. Spy short. Alert.
There
Spy
you
short.
go.
Alert. Spy short.
That's the way to do it, Sly. Way to use the charts, bro. I mean, that's just perfect, man. Just like if you caught this right here, guys, even if you just caught this bounce right there, 60, boom, right? See right here? Where's that right? So you caught this 96 level here past these bears, Sly, which was smart. It broke right in here, see? You caught this bear move up. You're above the bears, and you took it and rode it, and that's exactly what you should do. Wait for it to break a bear level, maybe a Rinko or two, at least two Rinkos, maybe one or two Rinkos right here, and go. And see that little tail on this Rinko? That's a sure sign of a move. And it came right at the bull level, exactly where it's supposed to. And it's going to come right up here and try to tap this friggin' 22. 22 right there. Bam! Right to the fucking target. Look at that shit.
Alert. Spy short. Alert.
It went
Spy
straight
short.
to
Alert.
31.
Spy short. Alert. Spy short.
And it's going to go to the target right there. Bam. 32. There you go.
Alert.
This is
Spy
like I
short.
said,
Alert.
anywhere
Spy
between
short.
32
Alert. Spy short.
and
Alert.
this
Spy
level
short.
33. Right in here, guys. That's what we're looking for. Perfect. $7,000 trade on the Auto Trader. So, you guys, I know my drawings are kind of crazy, but this shit's spot on. Went right to it. Now you have to hold the bank level to make this work. Right here. If you don't, you will pull back to where? You're going to pull back. Probably the red white line right here. More than likely, you're going to pull back to right here. Or right in here somewhere. I think the 14.25 bounce, or this 14, or maybe this little 12 right here, pull back bounce. 14, 16, 12 right in here. Pull back bounce to here, go back. Or you come back here, pull back and go back. or they just want to get this target like they wanted to and just let the Bears have it. So, see, celebration. There's your beers. Freaking beautiful, man.
Alert, spy long, alert, spy long.
Massive good trade right there. Yeah. For what? Okay, good. Thank you. Jeez. I hate when that shit. Had to answer back to those dudes again today. That's cool, though. So we're good on that for next year? Okay, good. Thank you. Every year, guys, you got to clear the National Futures Association. So we clear again for another year. Every year. So when you're part of the National Futures Association, if you clear their shit, that's a good thing. That means you're doing business right, you know? NFA. So guys, now we come back to the 1250, like I said. So 1250 can go back to 16, right? Or it's going to come back here and touch the 9. So 9's 12, 16. And then back to the 22. But see how they come up there and touch that target and they shorted right off this target, guys. So if you went short up here, you caught this whole short back down to there. Because we know, well, we didn't put it up there, but we all knew that this was the target and the Bears are sitting there. And this bulls are sitting right here also for continuation. So you're going to have both there. You're going to have both bulls and bears working this area right here. Because everybody wants to get long, everybody wants to get short. That's pretty damn cool. And it's going to come right back down the slide. It's going to try to come right down the slide where you took that long at 94, 96. That's where she'll come back to. Why don't you try to come right back down to where you took that long at? Because they would try to work off that same area. Up at 900, they'll come down here. Oh, we're missing a level right here. We're missing one right there. Of course, this is going to be a white one here, but no, dumb, stupid thing. Let's see right here, this one right there. That one's missing. What the hell's going on here with these? Okay, so this is strange. These are freaking out down here. Okay, so this is not a yellow anymore. This one is. So this is not a purple anymore. And this is not a yellow anymore. So that's got to go. This is a blue now. And this is a blue here. So that means this one here would be the new blue. And this one would be, wait, let's see, where's this one here? This one right here would be a light blue to try to get back to the blues. This is a little short one here. That's strange right there, man. And this one's not a yellow either. It's white. Because this one here changes too.
Spy long, alert, spy
it's a blue
long.
now for a hold. Right there. And this one's no longer a purple at all. That purple hold level's turned into a yellow level. This yellow level turns into a white level. There you go. Restructure. So now you guys can see how it kind of restructured now. You got that yellow sitting there. That's a tiny yellow sitting here. This is a tiny yellow right here. I mean, it's like, it's just one to come back down to the white one there at 900. So it doesn't, it can short down through here, but the big bounce is 87 down there on the blue.
Alert.
So
Spy long. Alert. Spy
I
long.
think right here, seriously right here, I do believe at this 900 level is a protection area. I really do. I don't think this is going to be a neutral pass through. I don't. I think this is a light blue right here. And I think these two are the pass throughs.
NQ shaker short.
There you go.
12-3.
See it
Repeat
passing through
NQ
those.
shaker
There
short.
you go.
12-3.
We're going to come right back
Alert.
to bam.
Spy long. Alert.
Well, I
Spy
tell you,
long.
Sly, right down there, do it. Right down to 94, 96. That's hilarious, bro. It went right back down to the bottom. It back down and touched that friggin' 87 almost. That's incredible. So now, guys, you'll see how these bears will try to come right back down here to that big blue level, just below it. They're going to try to get the next trade 91 down here. They got to get
Alert.
under 91
Spy
now
short.
to come down to the
Alert.
next
Spy
blue
short.
level, which is
Alert. Spy
87.50.
short.
Right
Alert.
there.
Spy short.
Now this is the pullback bounce. See? Right here. So if these guys go here and try to take this longs up through here, they're going to see. I missed the trade because it was on the other one. But see, if I got the big blue line bounce back there, I could have took this up. But see, I can take that bounce off that second blue line and kill them anyway. I think it's a white line, but it don't matter. I knew this was going to bounce here at the blue level. See how I bounced at the blue line down below us? I missed that one, so I got in the other one. But if I got that one, it'd be way over, probably close to $2,000 now. But see, you got to cross that little white one right there to pull back. See how it works? That's some simple shit right there. Just walk in, slam, take a trade, boom, done. This way Big Papa gets to see the craziness again. So, I mean, it's just, you know what? So they're going to try to pull us back to that blue line, that light blue line to continue. If they can't pull the light blue line, you can guess what? We can get out. It's 96. But if they pull the blue line, we want to wait and see if they'll test the yellow. See there? Boom. Now, if we test the yellow, can we test higher to the nearest blue? Look at this shit. $2,000 trade. Less than 2 minutes. Done. You know?
Alert.
It's all you got to do is
Spy
work
short.
off these
Alert.
levels.
Spy short.
You just got
Alert.
to work those
Spy
blues.
short. Alert. Spy short.
Try to get those pullbacks at those blue levels or those longs. You take the pullback at the blue, the dark blue. You know, take the dark blue pullbacks. Try to get the run back to the top of the other blue one. And you can cancel it right there if you wanted to. Or you can just wait till it gets to yellow and see if it'll hold. But you can close the trade. You can close this trade right here. Or if it breaks this, you can hold it to see if it'll get to this. It's because it came off of this. I got in here late, but I wanted to get this, but I didn't. So you come in here, you get this one. You're here now. So if it goes back under this, guess what? We know it's going to try to short back down again, right? See? Because this is the short right here. So they try to get this to go right back down to here, and here, and here, and there. If not, we're going to pull back from here to here, and we want to see if these bears will get stuck right here. Just above this line, about the 5. So we can come right back to this one and push it back to this blue to go right back where we came from. And that's what we're waiting on. We're going to wait and see if we can cross the yellow. So on this trade, guys, what you do is you come up through here like this, and you say, okay, I'm just going to, well, there, it's already there. Never mind. It would have hit my stop at 98. Because 98 would be the stop on this. 98 even. You don't want to go past 98. Unless you just want to be crazy and put it like here. You know, but it just hit it. So that's what I'm saying, though. 98 or somewhere in the one, just below one of those white lines. It doesn't really matter. Now, if we go across the blue here, see, we know they're going to try to pull back to yellow. See this? There you go. Another one. We might not make a killing right here, but that's like a $400 trade right there. So we know they're trying to get across this blue, and where's our stop loss got to go? Well, we don't have one. I mean, it's just a break even or get out. Just take profits and bail, or just don't let it go back against you. Now we're trying to get that blue target. We get the blue target, we can take profits right there. Or we wait to see if it'll hold this target. If it holds the target, we want to go to the little white one up there above it. The little two white ones. See, guys, that was like $2,000 and 12. That's like $3,200 trades. 2 trades, $32. It took me 4 minutes. Just working off these dumb little levels. So it's like right here. See, if we hold this blue, we're going to try to get this white one and this white one to this blue to push. So now we're in this trade down here. So you can say, well, if it holds the blue, great. We get to here, we'll move our stops to the bottom of this one here. If you want to be, if you just want to be, keen about your money to keep your cash, you move that stop, right? So what we do, we just take, let's just go put this up here for now, but we'll go put this right here. Right there. There it is. I'll get $1,000 regardless. Doesn't matter. Boom, $1,000. There it is. Now come back, let it cross over again. See if we can come back and cross over, or we bounce off the yellow and come back up, the one below it. If they pull back to the yellow, we'll see if we can take a trade off the bottom of that one to come back up. We just can't be
Alert.
under it.
Spy short. Alert. Spy short.
You don't
Alert.
be under
Spy
it for
short.
short.
Alert.
You
Spy
wanna be over
short.
it for the long. See? Right there. The stack level is right here anyway. So we're going to be trying to go long at. So we'll wait and see what they're going to do here. Actually, it's the V right here. It's like the little, it's right here, guys. Right there. That's what they're trying to, they'll try to go long right here at about the 908. If they can get the 8 to work. Just a little bit previous to it, like right in here. That's like the 8 right there. So if they can get the 8 right here to work, they'll try to hold that 8 to move that up. Now this might work, it might not, because this is a pullback below us. So what do? We got to watch this for 2 things. Here, to lose money, or B, profit target right there. That's the first one. The second one is right there, right? The third is right there. You get it? The fourth, up there. Then we got to move this right here. There we go. Oh, shit, I moved my chart. My levels are all stupid now. I hate when I move my chart and the levels get dumb. Unbelievable. Crap. Oh, crap. I hate when that shit happens. It's not a damn blue anymore either. Remove. Come on, dumbass. That's not a blue. There. I think this level, I need to move this. Yeah, because this thing here is a yellow. And that's the blue right there. And this is the blue right here. And that's a white. Now this is a blue also. Wow. Crazy shit, man. Sometimes it's just nuts. It's kind of cool, though, the way they kind of condensed that in there. I like having that there. The super damn cool. White's there. I'm just going to leave it. I'm fixing the chart. Cool. There you go. That'll work for now. Anyway, you guys can see that. I was just fixing the chart. I wasn't in that trade. I'm just showing you. So what we got to do is we got to wait now. See, it's just going to come back here and play games, bounce off this blue, go back up, or they're going to get under these two blues to get this yellow, and they're going to short. Or they'll bounce this, come back to here, come back to this one. You know, they're just playing dumbass little games here. You're going to keep playing these little games right here. But it's pretty good. Pretty good stuff. NASDAQ. That's funny. But it is the protection area, guys. This thing is getting stupid down through here. It really is. It's just being really, really crazy. See, this is that major level still.
Alert.
I think the
Spy
major level,
long.
though,
Alert. Spy
that we
long.
had, where is it, right? Shit. How can I have it on my chart? Is it there? No. Is it there? That's where the bulls start to move. This is the bigger bull move right here. Oh, it must be right there. Yeah, that's it right there. This is the protection level. This one. And let's see if we got other shit over here. Really, it's kind of weird. I'm looking for something. See if I can find something on here. Very strange. Very, very strange. Here it is. Yeah. The hell's going on? All right, guys. You guys see the little gun right here? Right? This little gun is right here. Right? I'm going to shoot the bears. Protection area.
NQ shaker NQ
That big ass bank level up there is the key to this. We gotta be above it, man. And I haven't looked yet. I'm going to right now.
NQ shaker
I bet you it's dark up there. No, it's not dark. That's cool. We still got 6, 7. We still got 970 up there. But the thing is, do we have anything between there, guys?
NQ shaker long NQ shaker long NQ
Makes no sense really, but
NQ
we can go back to the 1 hour and look.
NQ shaker long NQ shaker NQ shaker
So our box, guys, is sitting up in the middle of nowhere, man. The big top of this market, man, will scroll all the way to 17,000. It's a long way up there.
NQ shaker
And they still got some big ass targets up there. Big old target up there.
NQ shaker
The big major target, guys, that the market's looking for sooner or later
NQ shaker long
friggin' here. 17,097.
NQ shaker long 12.3. Repeat NQ shaker long 12.3.
We have a couple big bull days. We'll probably see in that. But there we go. Back to the bulls. Trying to hold this protection area. And this little box right here, guys. This little area right here, guys. This little top of this actually comes down to right here where these bears are sitting. See, it kind of comes to right there. You see how I made that move right there? It's like a box inside of a box. So it kind of comes down to right here. This little box does. Back to the top side of these bulls here.
Alert, spy short. Alert, spy short alert.
So it's kind of like a box you'll play in right here. You see this? You see this little box right here? This one? Right here. So I don't think you can see that. Let's see if I can get this thing to do this. So that yellow oil down there. So. Yep. So it's like 1225 down to 902. So it's like right 1225, 22 right here. It's down to like this area. But mine's showing different than this one is. So it's kind of stupid. It's stupid. So it's showing this. I'm showing this one down to this one. Right here. That's what I'm talking about. See? From the blue line, not the purple. Right here. Right there. There. That's the box I'm showing. And that's the box you got to break to get to those two targets right here. Right here. So this kind of condensed down, so now we can see it. We break this, we go to here. Break that to go to there. Break this, go to here. Break that, go to there. It's all good, though. Easy day, guys. Pretty much, if you got your money today, guys, you're good to go. I mean, Auto Trader went to $7,000, but Auto Traders only took 4 trades today. That's it. Just 4. And the last one it took was like, well, actually, I don't think it even took 4. It's 84 is where it said, it took the 884, didn't it? Yeah, so it probably took 2 maybe, and 2 are follow-throughs. It might have 3 trades all day on it. All day. It went $7,000, so. And I still can't get this other one to work over here. It says it's on, but it's weird too, because it's showing it running 5 hours and 38 minutes. So, but the thing is, the long was this morning at 8 o'clock. So it's probably still in the damn long if it was in a trade. Because if you look at this trade right here, there's 2 o'clock this morning. There's like 8. So wait a minute. It's showing on the regular candles. It's showing like at 8. What is that? 8? No. That's not right. Hell, we're over here. Not 8, guys. I'm sorry. 10. 10:15.
Alert. Spy
Yeah, right
long.
here.
Alert. Spy
You got it
long.
at 10:15 right here. That's where the long's showing right there at 10:15 this morning. So it would be still, it says it's working for 5 hours, so it's still taking the trades, but I just can't see them. And that's why he's got to come in fixed. Because it said when I turned it off that do you want to close these trades? I'm like, where the hell did I close them at? So anyway, we'll get it fixed though. We'll just get that bad boy fixed. It'll be fixed this coming week, I guarantee you. If I don't have it fixed this week, guys, it will be fixed by Monday. I can promise you that. That's a fact. Was it 3010, Papa? On those Rincos we use for Ninja Rincos? I know it's 8. I know.
3010, yeah.
Yeah, so somebody just asked on the futures chat. But yeah, 3010 or 8017. That's what they should be using on Ninja. So she just asked. That was Hope. Because I think she's asking like 3-4 times. I guess she just forgets. They're answering questions on the futures chat channel. No, they're not. You can't draw these. I don't draw shit on my other charts. I got a blank chart on Trade-Evade. That's all I need is a blank one. Because you don't need to have all these drawings on 4 or 5 charts, just one. Oh, Quan Tower? Or the yeah, they are. They're the same one. Yeah, they are, man. Because no, they're not. Actually, no, they're not because the Blue Sky test eval is hooked to that Quan Tower. I'm just testing it, but for some reason, it just keeps telling me, "Hey, you want to turn the trade off at the end of the day?" I'm like, "Where?" So, that's why I got to get him to fix it. Like yesterday, it took a whole bunch of shit, but I didn't even know. Like it's been long since 10:15, so I know it's long. So it's probably in that same trade all day. That's why we're going to get that thing to get it to work right. Once we get working right, guys, it'll be nothing because it's showing on the auto trader for Quan Tower the increase right here, right there at 10:15. So it just kept going, even to the pullbacks and shit. But we'll have to wait and get it all lined up and stuff and get that shit fixed. I have more than one connection. Yes. I have several connections. I have I have 4 connections, but they're all different connections, but they're all the same connection. It might be. And that's what he said we had to look at later today or when he gets a chance. Because we want to get consolidated down to 1 plus, for some reason, like he showed me that picture yesterday, it did great. It took that long and he rode that long out, like he said, for all day long. He held it all day. And I'm like, well, we didn't even get a fucking long to come on the screen. So, what's going on here? But we also could have been where we turned it on at and told it to take trades. There could be that time thing. But somewhere on Quan Tower, when you set the strategy up for the automation to work, there's a timer on it, and I think that timer was on Central, not Eastern. And I think that's another issue. So I kind of text him all the issues I see. So he's trying to figure out how he can get with me to get it working. Yeah, I've got the Blue Sky connection working now. That's what it's running off of. And there's 3 of them. Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. So we'll figure it out. I'll let him figure it out. He told me he would try to get with me tonight or sometime between now and the weekend because his mom passed away, so I didn't want to be a dick and say, no, I want it done right now. You know what I mean? That's just mean.
Alert. Spy short.
wait.
Alert. Spy short. Alert. Spy short. Alert. Spy short.
But the weird thing is, I want to show you something. I'll show you something. Hang on, Killer. I'll show you this. Now watch. If you go like this, where's it at? It's not on there. Shit. I think it's Yeah. Let's just stop all this shit. Okay, let me stop this. Okay, so if you go right, oh shit. So if you go right here like this, right? Okay, 8 and 8, right? Here. I think you have to have the whole thing though, because it's not going to work unless you do. I don't think it will. Hang on, let me see if I can condense this stupid chart. Okay, so see, it says started and was stopped. See, it says working and running. Now, if you go like this, and you go here, no, stupid thing. Oh wait, let's just go. What's day the 10th, guys? I think it is.
Yeah.
Let's go 9 right there. Shit. Now watch. Visualize. Chart. Chart. Oh, visualize. Duh. Here. There it is. So we know it's working. I just got to figure out what's
Alert.
wrong with that
Spy long.
friggin'
Alert. Spy long.
connection thing. There's something wrong with the connection somewhere. Because see, it'll play back these, but there's something. It's got something to do with it taking the actual marker to the trade, because it's working. It's just got something to do with taking that marker and putting that marker on that short right here, or that marker on that long. You know what I mean? When it goes long, see, should have had a marker right here, more than likely. This is this playback. But I just want to show you guys. See, it does work. It's just got something to do with the marker it's got a place on it. But I can't do it on here. This is the playback. It has to be on this one. This is the real one. This is the playback. But see, when it puts the marker, right, it took the trade yesterday at 30, I think it was 30 some, it was down here some damn where. After the pullback, I think it was right here. So it took the trade somewhere right in this area yesterday. It took the long and stayed in it all day, all freaking day long. It was a marker and just kept on going. Yeah, so this will show you, but now see, when it shows you on the playback, on our playbacks, it normally puts the trades on the playback, and it won't. So it won't put the trades on the playback, and it won't put them over here, and that's the problem. That's what I got to get him to fix. It's why I want it it does on his, though. So it's got something to do with the settings somewhere. It's either account settings or time settings or something, but hey. But you guys can see it actually does work. The algorithm does work. The automatic trading works. It's just got to get this thing worked out. So when it comes in the morning, goes boop, and puts the line here for the buy, you guys will see it. And then it just goes. So when it does that, it won't close this trade until it gives a short to sell off. So if you want to close the trade on your own, you just have to go over here and click stop to close it. But we're working on a different button for that, so you can just have a quick button, like a hotkey. See, that's it. That's yesterday, right there. The last night or whatever. That's awesome, though. You did a great job. Now,
Probably just something silly.
it is something silly because if we come back over here and you take this area, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right here. Oh shit, what the hell is this thing doing here? I got so many fucking charts up now. See the event log? See? It's refusing See, it's connected successfully, refuses, but then there's something with the time. There's something wrong with the time. See, it says check your settings. There's something wrong with the settings.
Can you click on one of them to open it up?
No. It won't let you. So that's what he was saying. It's just a settings thing, man. Don't worry about it. I'm like, all right, cool. Yet. I didn't want to do that. Oh, crap. I shouldn't be doing this shit on here. I'm going to screw my shit up. There. Okay, so that goes there. Let me get all this shit out of the way. I'm just going to put all this shit over here for him to look at. I'm saving all this stuff for him to look at. So we can take that off there. We get rid of this. See, it plays it back and it's perfect. It's just got, it's something to do with those settings. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's just a settings thing. And once we get it figured out, it's really going to be badass once we get it figured out. Because it will take those trades, because it did on his. You know? So once we get the trades to, oh, you stupid shit. Once we get that, come on, shit. Get over there. So once we get it to figure out what the problem is, Killer, then we'll definitely have it made. Because yesterday, man, it took that trade all day and he held it all day. He showed me. And I posted it in the room too. Yeah, there's sounding in there. It was just a glitch for me, I think, when I was doing that chart. So basically, we just got to wait now, guys, for him to go in there and fix that setting. Because it says check your settings, but the thing is, what setting do I check? Because I don't know what setting to check. There's so many settings on it. There's, 60 settings in the damn thing. Or 70 when we built it. So he's got to run back through it. I mean, this is not like this system. It's not like an auto trader like we have on the other line. The auto trader on the other one goes into a trade, stays in the trade, doesn't ever turn off. This one does.
Spy short.
This will
Alert.
let you
Spy short. Alert.
go into a
Spy
trade,
short.
close
Alert.
a
Spy
trade,
short.
pick up another trade for a short, and close that trade and go back into a long. So I'm just going to wait for him to get back into it and let him do it. But anyway, you guys can see on the playback it's perfect. But the cool thing about it is, guys, it will also let you pick, for instance, I want to show you all on a chart, on just a blank chart. Let's go to a regular old blank chart. Okay, well, that ain't a blank chart, shit. That's a damn regular chart. I got so many charts. Craziness. Well, none of my charts are blank because they're all global yet. Anyway, what it'll do, guys, is that, like, if you want to trade from 9 a.m. right here, say you want it to come on at 9 o'clock, or let's say you want it to come on at 9:25, right? So you want to get, or just say 9. We'll turn it on at 9 o'clock. If you just want to trade from 9 to 11, it will turn on at 9. It'll turn off at 11. Okay? And if you want to have it come back on at 2 o'clock and trade to 4 o'clock, it will. But it will not show anything between there. The candles will all be gone. It takes them off the screen. So, yeah, I'm just going to wait for him to get it. He'll fix it, though. Yeah, he told me not to mess with nothing. He said, just don't mess with anything, man. He said, it's really something really simple. It'll take me probably 10 minutes to fix. Just don't mess with anything. And I ain't going to mess with any of that shit. Just going to let him do it. That's what he gets paid for. You know what I mean? But I'll fuck something up worse. If it's broke, you know how to fix it, don't. That's kind of my motto. Especially with stuff like that, because if I go in there and do something on the code or something, and I screw it up, he's going to be really pissed off. Because it took him 5, 6, 7 weeks now to build that. And I don't have to go back through another 2 weeks of crap because I made some stupid mistake I did and didn't know what I was doing. I know how to run it. I know how to activate it. I know how to run it. I know how to back test it. All that kind of stuff. And I know the code on it. But the thing is, I'm not going to chance it with all the going into stuff and opening shit up. I shouldn't be messing with and changing something else and forget what I changed and tell him, oh, by the way, I did this. Because it'll be, oh, by the way, I spent an extra 2 hours working on it. So that's what you owe me. It's going to be good, though, man, when it's done, Killer. It's going to be really cool, man. I'm going to like it just to watch every day so we can watch it flag those longs and just stay in that shit all day long. Or just flag that big short and stay in that short all day. And the cool thing is that when it flags it here, guys, it actually shows the contract to the left of it. So it'll bring a big line up here. It's like a big, giant line. It's not like the other ones. It brings a big old line up here, and it says the price and it shows the entry price or the sell price. Still will be red, green will be buy, and it'll have a big green line on here for a buy. And it'll show you the price and the contract size, and all it does is just keeps calculating and calculating and calculating until it closes. And it will not close this trade. It'll close right here at this sell. So this trade here would have closed right here on the sell signal. If it was on this one, it's not though. This is just showing you what it could have done. So if it would have took this trade here and ran to this one, on this one it would have closed here, got back in here, and you'd still be in the trade here. You would still be in this trade right here, right now, on auto. Because it will not close it. It's made to trade. It's made to trade the bull and bear levels, the bull signs, and the bear signs. But it's also made to trade to where it won't close the trade until they short it. I know, man. I just wish I could figure it out. So dumb. But I'll let him figure it out. At least it's working. At least the whole thing is working. It just ain't got those levels, those lines up there yet. But that'll get done. And it's, I'm not going to sweat it because I know once it gets done, guys, we're going to have it full time then. It's going to be a full-time thing. It's going to be beautiful, man. And I'm not sure how I'm going to do licensing on it. I don't know if I'm just going to make it to be able to watch it because I don't know if people are going to be able to figure out how to run it from their computers if they try to get on their computer because, man, it's tough. It's in the background of it, guys, there's like 5 or 6 different things behind that thing running. And it's kind of complicated. It really is. So I don't know if I'm just going to put it up in a separate private room. I don't know yet. We'll have to figure that one out. I don't know how we're going to do that shit. I don't know how we're going to make that I don't know how we're going to do it. I really don't. Maybe I'll just call it the Elite Club or something. I don't know. I don't have a clue. If you guys got an idea, I'm open for ideas. I'm very open with you guys. I'm very open and honest. I'm open for ideas on that shit because it is going to be hard to run, That's what, Todd, they come back with from Quantower, the owner. He's like, we can probably bundle this so they can just download it to their computer. They won't have that other links behind it. It'll just be where they can turn it on and off. And that's what we're trying to get worked on with those guys. Because Quantower likes it. They told me it was one of the best ones they've seen. He said, this thing has a great win rate. He said, anything over 75, 80 is perfect. He said, this thing's showing like a 78 to 80% win rate a day. That's damn good. And you can calculate your win rates, guys. It'll show you. It'll show you the performance on it every day you trade it. You can go back in and look. It'll show you. It'll show your drawdown. It'll show your drawdown per contract, all kinds of shit. But that's something he's making videos for me to show you guys. He's making us a whole video series on it. So we're going to put the video series up on the Discord That's what it's going to be, like a manual. There'll be a video for everything you have to do to make it work, and how you pull up your drawbounds, how you pull up, this, that, and the other on it. So we're going to have videos on all that stuff. It's just going to take a little while to get the videos, I'm sure, but when we first start working with it, we'll just test it here for like maybe a week or two, live. Just let the shit run. We sit back and go, well, there's alarm, let's go. But I'm thinking about trying to get him to put some kind of alert on that alarm. So when that does go long, guys, we get like a or something. So we'll know it's going long. Kind of like maybe a pre-long kind of signal to let us know. Because this is going to pop up on the screen. Yeah, make it bam, Something. We'll make it something. That's kind of what we're looking at. I want to make sure somebody knows. But the good thing about Quantower is I can send that alert to what's that shit called, man? WhatsApp app and shit. I can do with Quantower, you can send stuff out to different places. We could put a WhatsApp app inside the Discord channel and have the alerts go right to it, guys. And stuff like that. So the alerts will go to those. So there's a good way of working around that. Or maybe everybody that we have signed up on it, we have a certain email. It just pops up on the screen or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Now, WhatsApp, yeah. WhatsApp app, what the fuck it's called. So that's what it is. I don't use it, but I can. Yeah, can you imagine everybody going, we're green, we're green. Yeah, because when I go to turn it off, I got to go to turn it off right now, and it says, do you want to close these trades? Okay, I can't close those trades. So, because I'm just letting it run. Yeah, Telegraph, I think, would be better. I really do. Or Telegram, yeah. I think that was a better one. I've seen that one work. You got Wall Street bets, yeah. Yeah, we already got the code for that one. We haven't coded that into the Discord yet. We need to do it. While the alerts go from Ninja Trader into the channel. Alrighty. I'm gonna do in here and just check this shit out though, because I gotta call this guy back. It's almost 2:00, so I gotta go call him. Alright, I'm just gonna bring this down here in case we break this shit. I don't know if we're going to, but I'm just gonna leave it just like that in case we do. I'm on the phone here, but we're trying to get from this bull level back to here, like I said. We already got the bank level, big ass bank level. You're gonna try to push here, try to push there. Now we break this, guys, you could see a boom. You could see a market explode here. If not, then we could go sideways and act stupid again. So anyway, be back in a few minutes.
alert, spy shot, alert, spy shot, alert, spy shot, alert, spy shot. 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 Alert, spy long. Alert, spy long. Alert, spy long, alert, spy long. Alert, super D, alert, super D, alert, super duper D. Alert, spy long, alert, spy long.
Oh, I had to go get something done, guys, but I'm back. And there we go. It's beautiful. So now this box becomes this box. And your little other area is from here to there. Inside that box. There you go. What do you think about this, guys? Spot on. Spot on. They hit the targets we wanted to hit. If you went long right here, right there. If you went long there or right here, or up this bull level. If you went long here, here, or here, you passed through to the previous ones that were in here. You got to this one, now you broke this one, and you're trying to get to that one. Boom.
You should put a moon on there for the top.
A what?
A moon.
The moon? The moon. Oh, if there is one. I bet there is. Yeah, let's see.
I mean, if they got a beard, they've got to have a moon.
I don't see one. I'm looking. That's fucking weird. They don't have a. Well, they got some dots that look like a moon. Well, I guess this will be the closest to the moon we're going to get. Up there. But we also.
We ate the bacon, drank the beer, and now we're going to the moon.
Yeah.
Alert, spy short, alert, spy short, alert, spy short, alert, spy short.
We got our target, too. So this target here now becomes that target there. 67. It's almost there. It hit 65, guys. It almost come right to it. So you can expect the bears to be sitting here, but the bulls, this is a pullback range too, but I think the bulls can break this. They can try to keep running, but we'll see, because that's a major area right there. Because now we're going to have certain little areas now we got to worry about, like right here, for instance, that blue level and this level and this level. See, this down here is gone. It's no longer there. These moved up a little bit in price. There. So down here, no longer. Well, I don't worry about that one down there today.
Alert, spy long, alert, spy long.
Now you got another blue bounce for the bulls to hold it. There. Well, Auto Trader's up 11,300. Yeah, I seen those crypto. I took pictures of them. I'll just go back through it and see if those work. 11,400, bro, on the Auto Trader. Another big ass bull day. Just gotta work through the shit. I could have held my trade this morning from 10:30. It'd been fine, but it's all right. We killed it anyway this morning, so it don't matter. Now we just wait for it to pull back here and see if she'll run back up again. A 30 is the key, though. We definitely gotta watch that 30. Well, we can't have a beer no more. That beer is gone. So we drink some beer down there, guys. That's kind of funny. We thought that they would have this bull bears in between these two lines right here, and we did. So they kind of got through these bears we thought would short us right here. This small bear is probably the reason why, but isn't that cool though? Look at this shit. Off a bull level to the box, to the bear level, up to the bull hold level, to a level, back to a bull level, to a bull level, then a bear level, drop down, back to the bull level, right? To the bear level, to the bull level, to the bear level, bull, bull, and here we are. That right there shows you guys that she's spot on with what we're doing in the trades I'd be calling. Because I'd be calling these trades right here for you.
Alert.
These are where I'd be
Spy
calling the
long.
trades. Here,
Alert spy long.
here, 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 and here, and there for the longs. So it matches what I'm doing perfect. Now let's see if we go finish out the 67 or not. So, but see, I told you about that little box inside the box? Right here, this little level right here. This little box right here. Because the bears couldn't short us right here at this little box range if they wanted to. If they wanted to sit over here at that little box level, they could. You can see them over here. Well, it's going to be closed after close. We'll put them right here because it's not in the way. See, they could short us right here on this white line right here if they wanted to. Because that short goes all the way back down to 2750. Right here. Right there. This short comes all the way back to here. From here to here. And they know it. Been a crazy day though. But it's been cool. Laying all this out like this is pretty wild. It really is. And this box down here has changed. Yeah, I did. It's already hit some of the targets. My wife said, so we moved the target? Yeah, we did. He already came through the bear target. The 927 that we called. Or 922, 27, whatever the hell that was. And now we're way up here. Look where I put possible big move. Worked out perfect, guys. They took off from the big move area and just never looked back. Gone. Yeah, spot on. Look at this. Right there. 88.50 to 956. So if you took this trade here at 88, let's just say 88. What was that 1688? 16,888 all the way up here where it went to like freaking 65 up here where it went to right there. Went to 65 even. That's a hell of a trade. Almost what? Almost 98 points. Somewhere right there. Some close, I guess you could say. Because 88 to 88 would have been 100. So, yeah, it's like 90 something. That's pretty much spot on. This takes a while sometimes to figure out where that big possible trade is going to be. And the weird thing about that possible trade right there, that level, it's kind of crazy that level produced that. Because I thought it would be the one lower, but it's all right. No. Maybe. Hang on a minute. Be right back. My wife's asking me if I took something from her, and I'm like, no, the dog did. Yeah. There you tip. Good job taking those trades. Yeah, this is my brain, guys. This is how in depth I really am when it comes to trading. So I got you. But I mean, check it out, man. It's perfect. We've had the shorts in areas where we're supposed to. We've had the longs. We've had those pullbacks we had to deal with. Another big ass bull day. Instead of working itself out after 11:30. Once it did, it's done. It's gone. It held the range. The 73.50, like I told you guys, it was going to hold that range. The top of the range was 73.50, and we held the range. 873.50, which is down here. Right about here. 874, let's say 874, right here. This white line, right there. That is the top of the range for the market. And see how we hold it? Right here. We tried to dip through it, but couldn't. And we come back and tested it and went long. This is a perfect setup right here. I'm always looking for these range break hold trades. And that's what this is. This is a range, close above a range trade. It's perfect. It's just absolutely spot on. I imagine Rich Forever probably loved that one because it's perfect. Now they want to try to come back down to these little white levels. They would have got that box up there if they can. See the box where the bears are sitting, guys? That's what they want to do. They want to come out of that box and get back down to fade through.
Alert. Spy
white
long.
levels back to the
Alert.
blues.
Spy long.
Yep, that's what you got to do, man. Proving your patience is a good thing because today was a patient day. We took a bunch of good trades this morning and done what we had to do, but this has worked out really good here. And everything's on the chart that I could possibly think of. It's weird I kind of laid out in structure, though, because I look back at this and go, what the hell? Craziness. Great distraction. Hey, that's all right. The image is there for a reason. Imagine you got bacon floating around down here, man. Come on, leave me alone. That's where this is where the Bears committed suicide right here. See, they got shot right here because it wasn't going to happen. Done, like I told you, protection area. They got a gun to their head. See, boom, run. That's what that's there for. Protection area. Do the same thing tomorrow. I kind of like this though. I like when I draw on the charts, guys. I do. I really do. It gives me something to do. It gives me something to show you guys what I'm thinking. It's like almost like being in a full blown class, you know? It's almost like you're sitting taking a damn college course. Can you tell me where the Bears are? Where are the Bulls? You know? But I can ask anybody in this room right now and ask you where that major level is, and you can tell me where it's at. You see it down there. Or I can ask you where the bank levels are. You'll be able to tell me where the possible move is. You know where it's at. Where the dip level is up top. And this shit's important. Just like those little boxes important right here. This is our go box. Or our pullback box. Right here. Not this gray area. This other area. From here to here. Can you imagine all the traders that are sitting around going, I should have took this, I should have took that. They don't see all this, guys, on their screens. They don't get to know where all that shit's sitting at. We come through all those bear levels and smoke these dudes. Look how many bear levels we came through. Look at this. We got bears here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually 9. But you don't have that many bull levels today. You only got 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5. So the bears have a little more levels in the market than the bulls do, but the bulls are taking it to them. 11,200 on Auto Trader. Big time, you know. 11,200 on Auto Trader. That's awesome, guys. So what's Power Hour going to do?
Alert.
I'm just kind of wondering.
Spy short. Alert. Spy short.
We're going to
Alert.
come back down to
Spy
35,
short.
hit the
Alert.
bank level.
Spy short.
The big ass bank level down there. That's good, Tyler. Well, we got one guy's doing pretty good. He's been on his trading funded account now for 30 days, and he's hanging straight at $9,000 still. So he's doing good. He's been in it for 30 days. I'm impressed. I hope he keeps it. I hear you, Tippy. Hell yeah, brother. Hit the beach. Right, man. Even $400 a day will pass anyone. It passes an eval, guys. The 50K, $400 a day, you got it made. I don't know why. I don't see it. Where are you talking about? What? Oh, this up here, this banner. You're talking about the banner up here. Yeah. All this is doing is factoring all the stuff behind the screens. Like, this is a possible pullback banner. Yeah, it's just something new. My wife was asking about it. It's just a possible pullback banner. So you know it's possible. If it breaks, it'll go off the screen. It'll keep going. Because this candle's the 12-minute candle's at 53 and it should be up at 65. So it's not engulfing at all. So we'll see what happens with this. I can't believe this crazy thing is up today again. This is like the third day in a row, guys. We've had big bull days. This is craziness. We'll go back to another 9 weeks of running. Let's go. Come on, Bulls. I think we're going to be threatening that. We're going to be trying to get those 17s. That's what I said, 1797, guys. We're pushing those 17,000s. And it's kind of funny we're going to do that too. You know, these new election people want to put this market back in those 17s. You know? Yeah. It's a good one, It's a really good trend day. After you get all the dumb shit done. Wendy over here helped a lot, though. We've seen Wendy right here. I told those guys, watch for Wendy. There she is, in a small Wendy. Here's another Wendy. Here's her Nancy. Wendy, 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 Nancy, Wendy, Nancy. Gone. Green is green. That's right, man. Don't matter if it's $200 a day or 10,000. Green's green. Doesn't matter. So this level right here, guys, has changed. This is no longer that anymore because it becomes this one. It becomes a light blue now. So now you can see where the bear's trying to short us. See? The bulls have to move their level now. They got to move their levels to here. No, you can't see that. Over here. Because the bears. Got two of them now. Right there. See how the bears are starting to fill in the chart? The higher you go, if you don't get it to keep running, sooner or later, the bears are going to nail you. Now our targets went up too, guys. This target has now expanded to here. To this target. And now the bear dip level in all has changed to right here. There you go. And our box here has changed also to there. And this box now moves to here. So these guys will be sitting in here. So we get to the top of that box there. Another place bears don't want us to go past is right here. So we
Alert.
just change this
Spy
box.
short. Alert. Spy short.
these
Alert.
bears can be
Spy
sitting
short.
right here
Alert.
also.
Spy short.
The bulls want to take this up right here, but the bears want us breaking this one. So be careful right here. If we break this stuff, we're probably going to take off and run. So it's up to 60 up there. It's a 960. See, right in here. This is where they'll be trying to get the trade at if they can, guys. Right in this area. If it can manage to stay above that, they'll take that trade up through there. If they can't manage to take this trade up through here, then they'll just leave it alone and let the bears have it back. There you go, Baba.
You know I'm freaking scratching my head, right?
I know. It's like,
Right here, click.
just right here, click, get in. So we want to take this trade to the profit target if we can, guys, which is right here. If not, oh well, just take $1,000. Be done with shit. Or 800 or whatever you want to take. It should be 70. I do believe it's 70 even. I got mine at 69.75 just to be safe, but it should be 70. Let's see how guys, how the bulls utilize that blue line right here. You see how they took their longs right here, right? I just took this here to show you guys you had to be above the box. But you could have took it here, got above the box, got in and just take it up to this one. Now we get up there, it's decision time. We could run hard up there once it passes this. But we'll take profits here anyway, and we'll just wait and see if they're going to break it. Or if they're going to stretch this box. There it is. Boom, done. 17. See that? There it is. You like that, Baba?
You're killing me.
Just jump and go. Just jump and go. It's cool. But the cool thing is you just got to utilize it, man. It works. It shows you how easy how that works, guys. And this shit does work. Everything we put on here works. You guys aren't playing around up here. Now we're hoping that it'll keep pushing here and just keep pushing through. Now we got to go over here to this other chart though, because we got to look at this. Definitely look at the Auto Trader screen because I do believe there's not one over there, but I want to look anyway. But yeah, so you can see where this green divergence is here, guys. Right here, remember? See this? So we're kind of stopped here at this 454 area. Actually, it's kind of stopped right around this area, right there, like 56, 57, I think. No, I don't think it is. No, I think it's kind of keeps going through here to like right in here somewhere. Anyway, that's where it's kind of at. So I expect this to come back to that pullback level there, the dip level, before it goes back up again or just sits there and does nothing. Because it's got a massive target on it. I mean, massive. This thing's got a killer targets on it. Because remember, guys, we jumped over the blue line over here that we had, that big blue line there you're seeing, guys. And this trade, remember the trade that came down here on, January 2nd, I think it was. Was it January
Alert.
2nd?
Spy short. Alert. Spy short. Alert. Spy short.
So the second
Alert. Spy
of
short.
January, the market maker started those trades around that 17 mark to flood this market. So in theory, since we're already up here anyway, I'm thinking this thing might be going where I think it's going. Because it looks like to me the 65 would be a hold. 65.25. And then the next target up would be 98 off that 65.25. So 65.75. So I think that's about right. 65.75 is 65.75 is kind of like right here. Kind of like right there. So just kind of wonder. Yeah. There. Shit, I don't want to do that. Get rid of that dumb thing. There. It's that one. Of course, that could be a short, too. Sitting there. It's a short long. So this level here is definitely a short long level. And this level here is definitely the target. The purple. So that's your short long level right here, guys. Right here. This could be either way, okay? But that's the target right there, 96. So if you get under that purple line, guys, it's probably going to come down, more than likely. See, we're not too far off from 97.50. Not far at all. And right here, guys, this area, here and here, right there, that stupid little area. Oh, I can find the damn thing. Really? Wow. You guys didn't get a box. Where you at, dummy? There. This area. Over here. Right there. Right there. See that? Right there. That area is kind of strange because guess what that is? That's where the big ass short started. But it's also
Alert, spy short. Alert, spy short alert. Spy short. Alert, spy short.
Bottom. Market makers. J2. It's a J2. Right there. Bam. There we go. Right there. That's it. Yeah. So now we know the market makers were sitting there since January 2nd at that level. And that level, if you look back on your charts, you're going to see well, you can't see they're sitting there. But when they got to that bottom market maker level right here on January 2nd, right here, it absolutely tanked. I mean, tanked. It tanked down from 17 all the way down to 334. This was the short from here to 16,334. That's a massive level. That's where that massive big ass short came in. So down to 634 on the 1 hour. Look at your charts, you'll see it. It came down to every single day until it tagged the 35 down to 32. It actually went to 16,333. Just say 333. So 16,333 was the short on this level right there at 17. So you know that's going to be a hell of a level right there, guys. So right now, though, on the market dip side level, this is our target for now. If we can get it. We'll see. And what I mean by this is this little bottom line is the bottom of the market makers. This is the top of the market makers. You got to be above the market makers to make it run, or it shorts you up here. But this is called J2. The reason it's called J2 is January 2nd. That's where that was formed at. If you look back on your 1 hour charts, where the market makers were sitting at 445 on Monday, the
Alert.
8th,
Spy short. Alert. Spy
they
short
took it from
alert. Spy
450
short. Alert. Spy short.
and 450, 450 and 460, the market makers were sitting down there at 450 and 460 and took this all the way back up from 460 all the way back to where we're sitting now. And badass. So now our dip level box has changed. Okay? So your market dip box is here now. Okay? Your dip level moves to, oh shit, here. Well, let's do this, guys. It's kind of confusing now because it's getting stupid. Let's go right here, put that there. Let's go here and put this here. Let's take this little market dip level and stick it right here. Because that's exactly where it's at, right there on that target, right here. Which would be a little thin line over there. It's like right here. Right there. But we still got 96 for our target also. Which is